just constantly, you know.
Alright, y'all, so here's my back home moving. I just wanted to come up here and start the video. This is going to be a day in the life of a grad student. It's kind of cold in here. And it's Saturday, and I'm just going to get my hair done. I'm going to show you how I fit all this stuff in, even down to how I fit uploading in, how I can go to work, go to grad school, still do other things, and make sure I upload every day. So I'm going to try to start showing that, but right now I'm about to be late for a hair appointment. So I'm going to talk to you guys after I get my hair done. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like. I'm still in the car. I just left. I don't know if you guys can even like see it, but it took her like 5 hours. I'll show you guys a better image of it when I actually get home, but I just wanted to come back and like show you. It's like 1:30 and she started at 7:30, so it actually took about like 5 hours. But yes, you guys, I will talk to you guys when I get home. I'm about to go pick up some food and then just go straight home. It's still COVID, so I just came out to get my hair done, and then I took my nails off. I just popped them off. I was over it, but my hair needed to be done. It just needed to be done. So I'm glad I got that out the way, but I'll talk to you guys after when I get home. Alright guys, I hope you guys can see up there the sign that I made a few vlogs back. So we are in my kitchen. We're gonna be doing a clean with me, a gist day, a Sunday get ready with me, all that to prep for the week. As you guys can see, I'm gonna give you an overview of each room. I'm gonna be cleaning, sanitizing, and I'm also gonna be adding little things here and there for the fall / Halloween. I didn't really celebrate Halloween as a kid, so we'll see. But this is the start of that video, so I'm gonna go from room to room to room. You guys will see a cute little time lapse. So yes, I just wanted to let you guys know we're in the kitchen right now. I'm gonna set you guys up somewhere so you guys can see everything, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I will have my Instagram and my Twitter throughout the video. So yes, you guys, I really hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna try to come back and let you guys know why I'm cleaning and what I'm using, like as far as like sanitizing the actual kitchen. But I'll be back, or I'll see you guys in a second. So a quick little tip, the lighting is a little off. Let me see if the lighting will, okay, so the lighting changed. I turned the light on. So just a quick little tip for you guys. I normally have like really fluffy rugs in my house. I'm more of like the fluffier the better. So this one doesn't really need to be washed, but what I do when I clean, just to get it off the floor and also fluff it up, I will stick these in my dryer. I'm not going to start the dryer until I get all the rugs in the house, but just a quick little tip, if you want to fluff out your rugs and they're like this type of fabric, definitely go ahead and throw them in the washer. I mean, not the washer, you can do that too, but the dryer will also like fluff it out a bit. So yes, you guys. Okay guys, so I am changing up my fall scent. This is mahogany driftwood from Bath and Body Works, and then we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning out our fridge. Oh no, I'm wrong. We are closing our cabinets. I went ahead and cleaned up. This is like my coffee corner, and now I'm showing you guys how I clean off the counters. Clorox wipes have been really hard to find, but when I do find them, I try to utilize them in like really important places, so like my fridge, my bathroom, y'all know. So yeah. It had been quite some time since I even cleaned out my fridge, you guys, so I decided to make it into like a video. Look at this pizza box. It's a problem. And yeah, so I'm just getting rid of a lot of stuff, dumping stuff. There's so much stuff on the counters. Y'all gonna see. So I straighten up on the regular, but on real gist days, I gotta use my Fabuloso. I have to get my mop out. So this is the lemon scented Fabuloso. I know you guys all know about it, but I mixed this with the Awesome from Dollar Tree. You can get Fabuloso and Awesome from Dollar Tree if you guys didn't know. And so this is me just mopping my floor, trying to mix the scent and the cleanliness together so that our floor is really shiny. I have and later on in the video I will be able to show you guys. Your mind and your man on space. This love is free, but I can compensate. This don't work, I'ma keep you straight. That's my word, I got a lot to say. Conquer the week, let's seize the day. Hold your hand, you should lead the way. Leap on faith, I believe. So remember that mop combination I told you guys about? The Awesome and the Fabuloso. Yes, look at this shining floor. I was so pleased. It's so satisfying. So yes. Oh my gosh. So again, if you guys didn't catch that, Dollar Tree, you can get the Awesome and you can get Fabuloso there. Let me put you on. Let me put you on.
Lead us right, you know. You can't fully enjoy something until you find joy in you. And to that moment, you're not living. You're not happy. You have no peace. And that's why I'm here for you.
Okay guys, so this is so realistic. I switched clothes, but I am still cleaning up. So I'm gonna just do another time lapse so you guys can see what I do with the rest of my bathroom, and then I'll show you any changes I make as far as like making it fall-esque.
Yeah, he's so on the track. You the type I wanna see in the dresses all white. Stick it out through the fights, even when it ain't right. Last dog when I sleep at night. No life going through jazz, baby, get your defense right. If you down in the dump, I'll pick you up. You just need someone to listen, baby, tell me what's up. I can rub on your stomach if
So before filming this, I had put all of the items that were on my countertop into the actual closet that's in the bathroom. So that's why you see me reaching back and forth in the closet and then putting this stuff on the countertop. My toothbrush and my hand soap do not normally stay in there. I just wanted to get on here and like preface that this stuff was put away prior before me cleaning because I know I was going to be cleaning. Yeah, I heard my... Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I hang up my robes. As you guys know, there's a basket of tissue, my rug, my other robe. I showed you guys the inside of the closet already. There's just medicine in here. So yes, you guys, it's really simple counter decor. I tried to be really simple, keep the necessities. But yes, you guys, that is the after of my counter. So yeah, guys. And then just in case you guys were curious how this turns out, and then the rugs are just gray and there's a fluffy white one here. But I thought this was really cute to add in the middle. So this has Epsom salt in it. This is a Philosophy body wash. This is a body scrub, and then cotton balls and Q-tips, and then this is a facial cleanser, but I don't use it too often so I can leave it in. And then marshmallow fireside, and our snake plants. And they're good to be in the bathroom if you guys were unaware. Y'all, this may be a voiceover because this room is in shambles. Everything ended up in this room, but what you guys see is me trying to put my comforter in the duvet cover, and it wasn't simple at all. If you have a duvet cover and there's like some type of technique that you guys know about to simply put your comforter in a duvet cover, definitely leave it down below. I'm all ears because this thing always throws me every time. So if you made it to the end of the video, definitely leave me a thumbs up because y'all are so loyal. But this is my favorite part of my October fall decor. Y'all, this is a spider web, and sometimes real bugs get caught in it too, y'all. And then the sign says trick or treat, and then in the cauldron, which is like the witch's pot, it has little candies in it. You guys, I lost all this footage and I've been trying to find it. For about 2 weeks now, which is why like there's been one or so of vlogs a week. I can't find it and it's holding up the rest of my videos because my hair was different in this video. So this is me letting you guys know there are gonna be clips that you guys just will not see, but the video was mainly another gist day. I have some clips that I was able to like save and Michael helped me, but if you were wondering like what the holdup was, I was trying to figure it out. I didn't want to like have all these clips go to waste because it's at least like 10 clips or more. So that was the holdup. And yeah, I'm just gonna get back to the vlog because I just had to let you guys know.